The choice of becoming a successful Forex trader is yours to make. Nobody else can help you make that choice except you. And in this video, I will show you 9 things you must do to help you become successful this year. It doesn't matter your experience, whether you're a new trader or you are an experienced trader. If you really want to have a consistent, profitable trading experience this year, then you must take note of these 9 things and make sure you practice them to become successful. And one more thing, I want you to forget all the losses you made last year, all the bad decisions you made last year in your trading, and focus on this new journey. And if you can practice what I'm about to share with you, I assure you you're going to be successful, because this is the secret of success for every successful trader that you see out there. Number 1, don't focus on wins and losses. I repeat, don't focus on wins and losses. So let me explain. Successful Forex trading is not about winning a high percentage of the time. It's rather about maximizing the amount of money made when you win and minimizing the amount of money lost when you lose. This is what is called high risk reward ratio. One of the greatest traders that has ever existed on the planet Earth, George Soros, he said, it's not whether you are right or wrong, but it's how much money you make when you are right and how much money you lose when you are wrong. The problem is not about the number of times you win or the number of times you lose. It's about how much money do you make when you are right and how much money do you lose when you are wrong. So let's take for an example that you have a risk reward ratio of 1:3. There is, for every $1 or pip that you risk, you're aiming for $3 or 3 pips. Okay, so if you are risking only 2% of your account and aim for 6%, which is 3 times of that, then after 10 trades, you lose 6 trades. That means you've lost 12% of your account, and you won 4 trades out of the 10. That means you've gained 24% of your trading account. Now your net profit will be your reward minus your risk, and that will be 24% minus 12%. So that will give you a positive profit of 12%. So that shows you that even if you lose 6 times out of 10 trades you make, with a healthy risk reward ratio, you will still be profitable. So that is what I mean when I say you should not focus on the number of wins and the number of losses. Rather, focus on maximizing the amount you make when you win and minimizing the amount you lose when you lose. And that is to have a high risk reward ratio. And I tell you, any risk reward ratio that is lower than 1:2 is not good for your account. So that is one thing that distinguishes the successful Forex traders from unsuccessful Forex traders. So stop looking for a holy grail or a system that have a higher percentage of wins. Rather, build on a system that will maximize the amount of money you make on wins and minimize the amount of money you lose on losers. In other words, do not trade any setup that has risk reward ratio that is less than 1:2. Do not. If you do this, you will become profitable. I know I promised to give you 9 of those secrets or rules that will make you profitable this year, but I don't want the video to be lengthy, so I will be releasing it one after the other to enable you to digest every one of these rules so that you can be successful in this business of trading. So look out for my next video for rule number 2 or secret number 2 that will make you successful this year. And if you practice them, I tell you, this year will become the best best year you've had in Forex trading. And that is my prayer for you, because I really desire to see you successful this year. Thank you for watching. If you like the value you've received, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't just watch and go. Share the content if you think it will be helpful to someone else, and also turn on your notification button so that when I upload my next video, you will not be left out. God bless you, and do have a great day.